Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to hide Facebook page followers. So if you also want to hide Facebook page followers, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up on Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your page. So in order to hide the Facebook page followers, first of all, you have to go to settings. For that, simply tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner right below the message icon. Now you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to see several options over here. Scroll down. Over here you'll be able to find the option for settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see several options over here. At first you'll be able to find the option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find several options. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility section, you'll be able to find the option for followers and public content. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for who can see your followers on timeline. You can see that option right over here at second. You can see over here right now public is selected. All you have to do is tap on it. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for public, friends and only me. But in some Android devices, only me and friends option will not be available. Unfortunately for my device too, those options aren't available. If you see that option, all you have to do is tap on the option only me. After that, your Facebook page followers will be hidden. So that is how you hide Facebook page followers. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.